In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to export contacts from your iPhone to Gmail. So let's get started right away. So basically, what we want to do is, we want to log into our Apple ID, and you probably already have that. But basically, click on your Apple ID right here, and all your settings will open up, and we want to click on iCloud. And once you click on iCloud, you can see that you have all your iCloud storage right here. And for those who don't know, your iCloud storage is on the cloud, so it is not only on your phone. This is linked to your Apple ID. So from here on out, just make sure you have contacts right here enabled, and that will just sync your contacts to your Gmail or Apple ID. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.